Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of September. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and your likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items are going to get shipped to you for free. You're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. If you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because I was offered the Style Pass a couple years ago. And so basically the Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year and you get unlimited fixes for the year. Stitch Fix is doing something new right now. They are offering what they call a fix preview to certain individuals, and I was offered a preview for this fix, and I did choose 5 items for this box. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. So when you open up the box, you're gonna have your prepaid mailer envelope, and this envelope is used to ship back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you'll use this envelope. You're gonna have this envelope right here, which has your price invoice sheet, and I always like to look at what fix it is. It's fix number 37 for me. And then you're gonna have this Oh Hello card, and basically this card has all the items that are sent to you in your box and ways to style those items, but it also has a note from your stylist, and I'm gonna read my note real quick. It says, "Hey Jennifer, I'm elated to see you loved everything today and you picked the items I would have selected for you as well. I appreciate you letting me know that the tribal pants tend to run big on you due to the stretch. I'll make a note for the next fix to size down to an 8. However, once you select items, I can't swap them out, but you definitely can do an exchange when you check out." So when I did the fix preview, she had tribal pants in there, and I love those pants, but I always have to size down to a size 8 because they have extra stretch. So now I know that once you select the items, you can't change the sizing. You can do the exchange, but you can't change it before they send it to you. Also, don't forget you can use the Buy It Again feature to grab more of these pants in other colors and patterns. The silver trouser is a staple. You can partner it with any top, but go with the burnt orange Kaden blouse and either layer with the denim jacket you own or the burnt orange cardigan from fix number 28. Then try the olive duster from fix number 13 over the gym top and the pink trousers. Oh, what about the red jacket from fix number 26 over the split neck blouse? Kara. And so Kara's been my stylist the whole time, and I do love that she is going back into my previous fixes to find items to style with the items that are in this box. The one thing she mentioned was the olive green duster, and I no longer have that. I passed that on to my oldest daughter. I didn't like the duster length on myself, and so my oldest daughter loved it, and so I just passed it on to her. So I really need to get an olive cardigan that I can add to my wardrobe. But here is my style card. And so I picked 2 pairs of pants and 3 tops that I thought would be good for transitioning into fall. It's still really hot here in North Carolina, so we tend to transition by basically switching our wardrobe over to fall colors. And so I'm excited about it. And here's what my bundle looks like. And those are the pants, and those are also a pair of pants, and then the other 3 are tops that I chose from the fix preview. So let's get into it. So the first item on top is by Fortune and Ivy. This is the Gym Button Back Mixed Material Top in Off-White. And it's a tank top, and like I said, right now in North Carolina it's still really hot, so we tend to transition with fall colors and then maybe throw a cardigan over top of it. I'm a teacher, so my classroom tends to get really cold, so tops that I can add a layer with a cardigan are perfect for me. So this is the top, and it's a really pretty floral print. It's got some like dark pink, orange, a little bit of like a mustard color in there. It's got a V-neck right here. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the print. It's an off-white, but it has like the button detail down the back. That's really cute. I still like that button detail. And it is mixed material because the front feels like your basic polyester material, and the back is that kind of stretchy, maybe rayon cotton blend. So that's really cute. And I think that would be really cute with a burnt orange cardigan or the olive cardigan like she talked about. All right, next I have the Fun to Fun Walden split neck blouse in white, and it's kind of a cream and off-white. And so I've seen this top in other patterns, and I think it's a good basic top for work for me, but it has that split neck in the front. And I'm gonna get up close so you can see the floral print. It has like a peach, like a rose, it has a gray, it has black, and it has like a dark orange. So I'm gonna get up close so you can see that. So I think this top would pair well with a lot of different colors of pants. I think you could match it with other colors in the floral print too. It has that kind of crepey polyester feel, so if you don't like that, you might not like this top, but the hem is the same on the front as it is in the back. And it's just a good work blouse for me. Next is another top by Fun to Fun. And this is the Kaden pleated blouse in burnt orange. And so it's really quite a dark burnt orange. It's almost brown. And so it's just another polyester top. It has that burnt orange background with kind of like a cream floral print. The print's kind of small. The hem is the same in the front as it is in the back. It does have the little button here with the keyhole, and it's got that cute little pleating detail that should help it to hang nicely in the front. So I like that one. And then I have the first pair of pants are by Violets and Roses, the Tinsley Slim Straight Trouser in pink. And it's kind of like a dusty pink. And it has a lot of stretch. The one thing I'm noticing is it has this detail right here with the tabs and like the buttons. I don't always love that because I really like for my pants to have like that flat front. It does have pockets, fake pockets in the back, so they're not real pockets at all. And this should be a cropped length for me because it's a 27-inch inseam. And so I'm looking forward to trying those on because I haven't tried that brand of pants. So we'll see how they fit. And I think it's gonna pair well with some of the tops. And then lastly are the pants that I told her that I needed to size down in. They are by Tribal, the Fia Straight Trouser in silver. And I have a black and a dark gray. And so they're just really good work pants for me. But they have so much stretch that I have to size down to an 8. My normal size is a 10, but these have to be an 8 just because they're so stretchy. But they have that flat front. These little lines right here look like pockets, but they're not real pockets. It has the one faux pocket in the back. They have a lot of stretch. They're kind of silky and soft and smooth, and they should be a cropped length as well. I just really like these pants. They're good for teaching in, so I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna do a try on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have the Fun to Fun Walden split neck blouse in white, and on the bottom I have the Tribal Fia Straight Trouser in silver. And so here's the first top. It has a really pretty floral print that I think will transition into fall nicely because it has like the dark burnt orange almost, and like the pink and the peach and things like that. It's got a little bit of black and gray in there. It has a nice length of sleeve, kind of like a cap sleeve. It's got the split neck right here on the front. It does look like it has like a little bit of a line right here to about right here. It does have some stretch in it. I was kind of surprised when I put it on that it felt like it had stretch in it. It comes down long enough, and like I said, it comes a little bit up on the side, but the hem is about the same front to back. So overall, I think this is a good basic work blouse. You do need to wear that cami underneath. It is a little bit sheer because you can see my white cami through the top here. Now the pants, I love the color. It's doing what all my other pants did before I sized them down. So it gets like this extra bagging right here. So I just need to see if I can size down to a size 8. But of course the fit, as far as the length is good. It's kind of like a cropped length. So just a good pant for fall because we'll be hot here in North Carolina for another couple months probably, so I'll be able to wear these cropped pants for a while. Just a good work pants. So I'm gonna try on the other Fun to Fun blouse with these pants, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next blouse, and this is the Fun to Fun Kaden pleated blouse in burnt orange. And I definitely think this is a great color for fall. It has some pleating right here along the front, which I kind of like. It does kind of come up high on the neck, has a nice length of sleeve. You could throw on a cardigan over top of this, and I feel like you'd be ready for fall. It's definitely that kind of silky polyester material. Doesn't have any stretch that I can feel in it, maybe a little bit. I think the floral print is nice. I really like the pleating right here. If you don't like it high up on your neck though, it does come up high. And then it had that little keyhole with the button right there. One thing I would say is that when I tried this on, I did not undo the button, but it was tight, so you may want to undo that button. So like if you fixed your hair and you're putting your clothes on, you'll want to undo that button because it is tight. I tried it on with the silver pants like she suggested. I do think it goes okay, but I would probably pair this with like maybe black. I don't know that the silver is my favorite with this particular top. So I'm gonna try on the dusty pink pants with the mixed material top, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last two items, and on top, I have the Fortune and Ivy Gem Button Back Mixed Material top in off-white, and on the bottom, I have the Violets and Roses Tinsley Slim Straight Trouser in pink. The mixed material top is really cute. I'm gonna step up closer so you can see the print. Has a lot of nice colors for fall. I like the green in it. It's a little bit sheer. I have a white cami on so you can see that. Has some really cute crochet detail right here. It is polyester in the front, and it comes down to a good length for me. The armholes look good. And then the back has the button detail going down the back, and it does come down long enough to cover my bottom, which is good. So I think that's really pretty. On bottom, I have those pants, the pink pants, and so they're a size 10, and they're super stretchy, but they're not as stretchy as the tribal pants. So I feel like they fit pretty well. This detail up here at the top doesn't seem to bother me like I thought it would, because it's got more of a flat front right here. Comes down to a nice cropped length on me. So I need to go back and look at her note to see, she recommended a burnt orange cardigan over something and my red jacket that she had sent to me in a previous fix. So I'm gonna check her note out real quick, and I'm gonna try to pair those items with my tops. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back to show you some of her recommendations of items that I have in my closet already that she has sent to me to pair with the items that are in this box. And she did mention putting the red jacket over the split neck blouse. And I do think that these two go well together. The red jacket pulls out the dark orange red color in the top. So I do think this is cute. Yeah, I like that. What do you guys think about that? All right, she recommended the burnt orange blouse with a burnt orange cardigan, so I'm going to try that on next. Be right back. All right, I'm back with her other suggestion. She did say to put this Fun to Fun blouse with a burnt orange cardigan or a denim jacket, and I forgot to grab my denim jacket. That would be cute as well. But I do think that this burnt orange cardigan does go pretty well with this blouse, and I just paired it with black pants because that's what I had on from work earlier today. So I do think you could put this over top of it, or if you had a nice cream or tan cardigan, that might look nice as well. So I'm gonna change and I'll be right back to do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some of these prices. And overall, I think this was a really good fix. I do think that the fix preview allowed me to choose 5 items that I knew that I would really like, and it also allowed me to choose items that were within my price range. So I do like that fix preview option. My stylist does a good job of selecting items to put in that preview, and she knows my style really well. Overall, this was a great box with some really good prices. The first item was the Fun to Fun Walden split neck blouse, and it says in white, and that was this top right here, and it's $38. This is the one that she recommended with the red jacket, and I do think that the red jacket pulled out some of the pops of color. I also think this would look really nice with a olive green cardigan. So the cost of it's $38, and I think that's a great price. It does have a little bit of spandex. It's a little stretchier, or it feels a little stretchier than the other polyester blouse, the burnt orange top. So even though they're both 98% polyester and 2% spandex. Next was the Fortune and Ivy gem button back mixed material top in off-white, and I thought this was really pretty. I like the colors. This would also pair really well with an olive green cardigan, but you could also do a burnt orange, I think would look nice. And I thought it was really pretty with those pink pants. And the cost of this is also $38. Next is the Pants by Violets and Roses, the Tinsley Slim Straight Trouser in pink, size 10. And so I thought that this was a really pretty color. I thought it paired well with that mixed material top. I also think that the fit was nice. And because they're cropped, they're gonna be a great pair of pants to continue to transition into fall. And so the cost of these are $58, and I don't think that's too bad for work pants. And then next is the Tribal Fia Straight Trouser in silver, size 10. These are the ones that I need to size down to a size 8. So hopefully I can go in and do an exchange when I'm checking out. But the cost of these are $58, and I do think they're gonna be a great work pant. I can wear them now, I can wear them next spring. And then the last item is the Fun to Fun Kaden pleated blouse in burnt orange, and I really like this color for fall. I do recommend that you undo the button before you try to put it over top of your head, because it is a little tight at the back of the neck, and it just has one of those little stretchy loops around the button right there. This one is also 98% polyester and 2% spandex, but it doesn't feel like it has hardly any stretch in it. It's that kind of silky polyester that I think a lot of shirts are known for. And the cost of that one is $38. So my stylist picks subtotal was $230. The buy all discount takes off 25%, which will take off $57.50. And then my order subtotal is $172.50. Shipping is free because I have the style pass and I don't have any more credit that I can use for this year. So my order subtotal is $172.50. I think that's a good price for 5 really nice items, especially when you have 2 pairs of pants and 3 tops. You guys tell me what you think. I am gonna leave a referral link in the description box below. I think I've got one for my mom that I'm gonna share that would give you, I think it's $25 off of your first fix. So if you haven't tried Stitch Fix and you're interested in trying it, click on that link and that will give you $25 towards your first fix. It waives your styling fee. And so if you don't like anything, you just send it on back and there's no cost to you at all. If you decide to keep some items, then you get that $25 towards whatever you decide to keep. All right, let me know what you think. Do you think this is a 5 for 5 fix? I'm leaning towards keeping everything if I can exchange those pants. So until next time, bye guys.